The Ultimate Unity Pastoral Care program is a program we designed here at school to foster relationships, connections, sense of belonging, and to develop a better school culture. Our students are grouped in buddy pairings across reception to Year 11, and they are in 19 pastoral care groups. The students participate in a range of activities which are designed to foster those connections and those relationships that we were looking to build.
I'm really grateful for the relationship that I've made with Joel, a younger student that I wouldn't have usually made if it wasn't for pastoral care.
On sports day, I asked Georgie if she could watch me do my events, and she did, and it was nice to know that one of my close friends were watching me.
The relationships and connections that the students have built through the program have been extremely valuable. You see them in the yard waving at each other.
We have a 100% behaviour record during the program timing, which means we're not having any behaviour incidents in that time. But we've also seen some key improvements across about 8 wellbeing areas that we were looking to improve as a result of starting this program.